The magic of the Smokies are waiting for you. And our crews are springing into action as the construction continues at Westgate Smoky Mountain Resort and Spa. Here's a sneak peek of what the new interiors of the mountaintop cabins look like. And soon, many vacation memories will be made here. Cabins 2096 and 2097 have certificate of occupancy and are ready for furniture and housekeeping. Here is the site of the brand new Building 7000. It has mechanical, electrical, and plumbing underground. Building 6000 has trim and tile on all floors. The mid-mountain cabins 2075, 2076, 2065, and 2066 has trim and tile on all floors as well. Westgate Smoky Mountains still has plenty of rooms waiting and ready for you. So come and experience a quality vacation that exceeds all expectations.